Here's the video. I have an exhaust leak now, pretty bad. You see, you'll hear it start up. That's an exhaust leak.